My God, what are you doing? Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties? That's odd. Aren't you a bit worried about that exponential cascade scenario we discussed? Shut up! What the hell is going on with our equipment? Yes, I sincerely hope you know what you are doing. This should help. Ah, you have one of the new HEV suits. That should be very useful. Big day today, Freeman. I predicted all of this, you know. What is that stench? Shut up. Well, do you have any idea what to do next? Yes.